Do you believe in finding comfort in chaos? A chaos is complete disorder or confusion. And what could be the better example than the year we're living in? 2020, a year of chaos. The time where we are locked at home for months, we maintain social distancing from our own family and friends, we wear masks all the time, and there is unlimited use of sanitizer. It's the year where when people sneeze, we do not say God bless. Instead, we move away and we look at them as if they're weird. Chaos can be a thing that happens because life is life. But one should always remember that it's temporary, intermittent, and passing. And I suggest in such situations, one should always reframe our perceptions with gratitude by asking ourselves what good can come from this chaos. Talking about the current scenario, the chaos we are living in, where depression is on the rise due to COVID, we've seen people making progress, starting good initiatives, and making the best use of lockdown. In fact, COVID is proven to be a teacher who taught us to focus on our health, maintain our health, do exercise regularly. I feel in chaos there is fertility. Well, if you see, all the most powerful emotions come from chaos. Fear, love, anger. Have you ever noticed something? When everything is going well, we do not bother too much about the how and why of our happiness. On the other hand, pain, sadness, loneliness make us all philosophers. I read somewhere, and I would definitely like to share with you all. It's there are only patterns, patterns on top of patterns, patterns that affect other patterns, patterns hidden by patterns, patterns within patterns. What does it sound like a tongue twister to you? But if you read it, you will definitely understand the meaning hidden in it. And also, if you watch close, history does nothing but repeat itself. What we call chaos is just patterns we haven't recognized. And what we call random is just patterns we cannot decipher. What we cannot understand we call nonsense. What we cannot read we call gibberish. There is no free will, there are no variables. So let's try to find comfort in chaos. Stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.